I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on rate of change. I'm sharing with you some thinking and communication test questions. Determine the value of a and b so that the function f of x equals to x squared plus ax plus b has a minimum at minus 4 minus 11. You can actually solve this question using two different methods. You could use difference quotient method. In this case, you are actually given that minimum is at minus 4. So you can also use this point minus 4 to solve the question, right? So it could be done either way. Perfect. So my recommendation here is that what you should do is you should do difference quotient method and then we'll substitute minus 4 and find the answer. Correct? Okay. So we'll find instantaneous rate of change at any general point. So basically f of x plus h minus f of x over h, right? That is what we'll find. So where h is a very small number, right? So substituting, we get x plus h whole square plus a times x plus h plus b minus f of x will be the same function, which is x squared plus ax plus b over h. And remember, h is very, very small as compared to 1. We sometimes say it approaches 0. So sometimes we also say h approaches 0. Either way, it means one and the same thing. So let's expand this. We get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, and here we have plus ax plus ah plus b minus all this, which is minus x squared minus ax minus b, everything divided by h. So you'll always notice that these three terms will cancel. If they don't, that means something wrong has already occurred. Now, since we know that h is very, very small as compared to this, we know h squared approaches 0. So we'll consider this to be also 0, right? So what we can do here is that we can always write this as approximate value of 2xh. We are approaching this to 0, so we are left with only ah here. The other terms cancel away, right? Divided by h. Now here, h is common, so we get 2x plus a over h. Now h and h cancel, so we get approximately equals to 2x plus a. Now, since we are looking for a minimum, right? So for minimum, this should be 0. Is it okay? So for minimum, this should be equal to 0. Now we are saying that minimum occurs at minus 4 minus 11. So I'll substitute x as minus 4, right? And 0 for instantaneous rate of change. Correct? So when I do that, I get 0 equals to 2 times minus 4 plus a. So from here, I can find the value of a, right? So we get 0 equals to minus 8 plus a, or 8 is the value of a. So we get one of the values, which is a, which is equal to 8. Perfect. Now a is given to us, which is 8. Now we know that the minimum occurs at minus 4 minus 11, and we know the value of a is 8. So we are going to use the point minus 4 minus 11 and a equals to 8 in the function equation itself. So what we get here is that substituting minus 4 for x and minus 11 for this, we get minus 11 equals to minus 4 square plus 8 is the value of a times minus 4 plus b, correct? So we can rearrange and get the value of b. So we get minus 11 equals to, let's write 16 minus 32 plus b. And bringing this minus 16 to this side, it becomes minus 11 plus 16 equals to b, which is equal to 5, right? So the value of b is 5. Clear? So that is how we can find the value of a and b. And so we get our answer that the value of a is equal to 8 and the value of b is equal to 5. Is that clear to you? So that is the method of solving such questions. I hope it helps. Feel free to write a comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.